So it is the day after the deep south snowstorm. In Alabama, some areas got a good bit of snow. How much snow did we get out here? It was too cold for the amount of snow that we got, and I was highly disappointed. I'm not really a snow person. Don't really care for that freezing cold and wetness. But I figured, hey, if it's gonna be this cold and we're supposed to get this amount of snow, why not enjoy it? So I got my hopes up like a little bitty child, and they were dashed. Very disappointed. Our pond though is it's frozen because it's been so cold the last couple of days. Let's see if I can let you see. Still incredibly low, but it has ice over the top, and the leaves are basically trapped in that. Let me see if I can throw a rock on that or something. Nope. All right, so I have this rock. I'm gonna toss it in here and let's see what we, so you can actually see that there is actually ice on this water. Yeah, I guess I made a little air pocket for the fishies. I'm sure some of them are on that bed though. It's been cold. It's kind of cool. Air pocket. I wouldn't want to fall in that though. And as far as this side by side, little maintenance going on. He's changing the oil.
Yeah, about time. It's been a while.
Other transmission, whatever. Not the transmission, but the transmission oil. And finally got a top on here. Not too shabby. I try not to step on you. But that ought to keep the spiders from dropping on the heads a little bit. And also, got a little side mirrors up in this thing. Let me see.
Yeah, they work.
Can you make them go?
Yeah, they made so they can fold back if you hit something.
Oh, okay, because there's probably a couple things in that tray you might hit. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it do move.
Now you probably don't understand it.
Now all it needs is a good little wash up, but it's too cold for that.
Yep. Yep, I know I ain't about to wash.
That wash probably won't come until the springtime if we being honest.
Yep. Pressure wash.
Mm. We still got a little pan drippings.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna let it drip out and then I'll take the filters out of it. Let the bed up, put oil in it.
Oh, you have to let the bed up?
Mm. You ain't catching much from old up me laying down. Alright. I'm about to pour the filters out. Your best film is gonna be. See if I can get this out. in there tight. I'll have to get a short one for up there. Uh-oh. Don't want to do that.
What is it?
Ring it off like that. Need a little short 10. You don't get on there right here, ring it off. I don't want to do that. Shoot. In a bad spot. Oh, here we go.
Need them glasses on.
Yeah, dirt falling. I'll pull all these bolts out. I don't even know what I've done with the first one.
You took bolts falling out and getting the trail and the whole bottom end in the trail.
Oh boy.
Now you keep up with them.
Yeah, I need a flathead screwdriver out my bag up there on the side by side.
Let's see, do I know what a flathead screwdriver looks like?
Yeah, it's black. Got a black handle on it. Might pop
Long
right
handle?
off. Yeah. Hopefully it'll pop right off without me damaging.
Oh, that whole cylinder type thing.
Uh-huh. That's where the filter sit. I'll be careful with it.
I see the liquid starting to come out.
Didn't want to do that and done it. You didn't see no spring jump out, did you? Oh, it's still in here. That's why it jumped off, because it got a spring in it.
You know, like you should have kept them gloves on.
I had to. It's all good, though. I'm used to it. Ain't nothing went right. Oh, man.
You put another one in there, ain't you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I could have swore it's supposed to be a spring in this thing. Give me fits. Let's see here. Nope, not gonna work. There we go. Just got a rubber
Yeah, all it do is turn.
O-ring.
Oh, okay.
See now?
That look like there's a little spring on
A
that
rubber O-ring right there.
one. Yeah. Spring on that one.
Mm-hmm. That's the one that's on.
Oh, okay.
Yep, go back in now. That's the filter to it.
just pulling it in.
Yeah, I got that with my needle nose if I had to. A little oil filter, that oil was nasty. Okay. Almost lined up.
Fully booked.
Let me get one out so I can line them up. Y'all look like close though. What that?
But the camera's up.
Oh no, that's not the right thing. Hold on, I'm missing it. Let's see. Oh, right now. I'm gonna wrap it work. I think it's on my dirt. Coming for something.
Probably like the way you got your hand holding it. So you lever it.
Wheel. Spring went out first, didn't it? Or do you remember?
Now I have to go back and play the video. You took the top off, so that was in there, and I think the spring was in there.
Okay, and this?
I think so.
I believe you're right. That's somebody.
Good thing we edited on this.
Where we at?
Let's see, you need a screw.
Yeah.
Oh, a bolt. There you go. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Drop it.
I'm trying to keep it from bouncing back out.
Yeah, spring.
Okay, you got that one in here.
Tighten it back up, I'll be good to go.
No, you have to do is just pour the oil in.
Tools back up.
My hands are freezing. Going slow.
Yeah, I should have brought my Tahoe keys out here like I got my other farmer, because it's too slow. It drain out.
Need a cup.
Huh?
And I see a little bit in there. But you can post some more if that's what you're waiting on.
Yeah, I can see it.
You about to be missing it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. This one.
I gotta find my phone. Look at the pool again.
We didn't get any good snow, but we were able to get a little maintenance done on the side by side. So we'll take that win. This is Outdoors with the McCalls. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Have a great day.